Cloud solutions play a key role in digital transformation. Switching to the cloud is much more than a simple lift and shift of existing applications to a cloud infrastructure. The right strategy is about how you design, develop, and run applications, taking advantages of unique cloud capabilities, not just about where those applications are deployed. Follow me to know more. As organizations refine and optimize their cloud setup, they have many questions about the various tech choices and its impact on their business. Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, multi-cloud, microservices, containers, serverless computing. The choices are endless. Deciding on the right option for you can be complex and confusing. This is where we can help. Transform your existing application architecture and migrate the service with user data to the cloud with Trigent's Cloud Practice Services. Our team of certified professionals are experts in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and other private cloud providers. With our experience, you can convert monolithic applications into discrete services, develop components that are run, managed, and scaled independently, design scalable deployment architectures, evaluate cloud solutions that best matches your needs, adopt cloud DevOps for faster delivery and be responsive to issues. Our domain experience allows you to make informed choices and quickly realize the benefits of your cloud strategy. Use the agility as your competitive advantage. Deliver fluid customer experiences. Reduce costs. Increase operating efficiency. As an organization with rapid growth, we proactively invest in people, technology, and infrastructure. When it came to adopting the cloud, we were a bit overwhelmed with choices. We were concerned about client data security, the stability of the solutions, and scalability. With Trigent, we derived the best alternative specifications. It ensured a smooth transformation towards the cloud with security. It significantly improved our efficiency and accuracy, in turn, increased productivity. By maintaining a consistent team, it enabled an effective long-term partnership. Over the past 25 years, Trigent has enabled hundreds of organizations to adopt a secure and scalable cloud environment. As the go-to partner for technology and business innovations, we've won numerous accolades over the years. Cloud technology offers unprecedented flexibility and choices to deliver world-class digital customer experiences. Take advantage of our best practices and experience to make the choices that are right for you. Whether you are a software product company or a business enterprise, whether you're planning to migrate from a data center or have an existing cloud instance, we can help. Trigent, your trusted cloud services partner.